Let us look into a particular topic and then see how we can handle null values. So here we have student grades. So in student grades there is student ID, student name, subject, internal marks and the external marks. So now here for internal marks sometime and for external marks I have included a 0. I have included a null. So COALESCE here will give me these values substituted with zeros and plus the external marks substituted with zeros. Let us see what happens if I do not use COALESCE and only try to add. See, here I am getting 30, 65, 83 and 0. If I do not do this, see, this is the output. And that's why I COALESCE, so that I do not miss on these values, so that I do not get any nulls and accordingly I get the answer. Let us check. With COALESCE I can also check the eligibility, like if it is more than 60 then show pass, otherwise fail. So here for this it will show fail, fail, and for these two it will show a pass. I can also check the subject wise percentage. So I have here math, fail and pass, physics, fail and pass. So wherever the percentage is more than 60, add 1. And then finally, like how we did earlier, we can divide this marks by the total count. So let's see if I have to build this query. So here whenever case when it's more than 60, then 1, else 0, end. Now here I am summing this up. So here total students that appeared, passed is 1, and here finally whatever is this I want to divide by this. So with the same logic, sum this one into 100 divided by count star, and finally it's being cast, this entire expression is being cast as decimal. Looking into one more example. Create table employee performance, where there is employee ID, employee name, project, rating and the bonus, and here few values are inserted indicating bonus is null, and here there is no rating also. So wherever the rating is more than 4, I show that it is eligible, otherwise I show that it is not eligible. So here COALESCE rating comma 0. So for the first two ratings it was 5 and 4. For the first two ratings it was 5 and 4, so it showed eligible. This is null, so it comes to 0, and so it is not eligible. Here again 3, it is not eligible. Now let us see how can I give bonus depending upon the project. So there are 3 projects and I want to check the average bonus. See here this is 2. This appears 2 times, so 10,000 divided by 2. Here it is 0 and here it is 1 entry, so it is 5,000. How do I do this? Is using isNull. Using isNull, I will capture this isNull bonus comma 0. So now all the bonuses will be put to 0 here. And then here I am taking average of it. If I do not include this isNull, then see, I am getting for this one, though there are 2 entries, I am still getting only 10,000, and here I am getting null, which I may not want. So here this gives me the correct result here. This is how we can rightly handle edge cases. Let us see who are the employees who have rating as null and bonus is not null, though the rating is null and bonus is not null. So here or maybe I can also check if the rating is more than 4 and still not received a bonus. That can also be checked. So here there is one employee which has rating as more than 4 and bonus is not null. So like this I can check for the edge cases and see if it is not included, it gives us the wrong output.